Ready to ditch the generic website builders and build a stunning portfolio right inside Notion? First, open a new page in Notion and title it something catchy like My Amazing Portfolio or your name followed by Portfolio. Now, let's add a cover image to make it visually appealing. Hover over the title, click at Cover, and choose an image that represents your work or style. You can upload your own or select one from Notion's gallery. Next, structure your portfolio. Think of the key sections you need: about me, projects, skills, and contact. Use the / command followed by heading to create clear headings for each section. We are going to use heading 2 for this instance. In the About Me section, write a concise and engaging bio that highlights your skills and experience. Add a professional headshot to personalize it. For the projects section, create individual pages for each project. Include a title, a brief description of the project and your role, relevant images or videos, and a link to the live project or the code repository. In the skills section, showcase your expertise. You can use a simple list, a table, or even a progress bar to visually represent your proficiency in different skills. Finally, make it easy for people to connect with you. In the contact section, embed a contact form using a service like EmailThis, or simply provide your email address and links to your social media profiles. Don't forget to customize the appearance. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and icons to create a portfolio that truly reflects your personal brand. Once you're happy with your portfolio, click the Share button in the top right corner and select Share to Web. Make sure Allow Duplicate as Template is disabled, and anyone with the link can view your portfolio. Share it with the world and watch the opportunities roll in.